बढ़िया भाई। थोड़ा इधर आ जाइए, थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए, इधर फेस। बस बस मिल रहा है ना।
Just finished.
ओके
बहुत छोटी है दादा।
थैंक यू।
बीच के साथ एक फोटो कर लेते हैं, कर लिया
कर लो मैडम।
So good to see you after so long.
थैंक यू।
और कितना सही इनिशिएटिव मानती हैं आप जब हम बोलते हैं कि ऑनरशिप लेनी है हमें। बीएमसी तो अपना काम कर रही है, उन्होंने पेड़ लगा दिया, कोई जिम्मेदारी ले जो रोज उसे पानी दे, उसका टेक केयर क्या कहना चाहिए?
Absolutely, and I guess this is a great initiative. First of all, I'm very thankful to be here, especially on World Environment Day. And I would just want to say that government अपना काम करती है, but we people make the city what it is, and it is our responsibility to take care of our environment, of our surroundings, because the government can't reach out to every corner of the city, but we are present in every corner of the city. So we should take care of our surroundings, and of course, because of Cyclone Tauktae, we had great destruction, we had ravaging winds, we had heavy rainfalls which caused a lot of destruction not only to life and infrastructure but more importantly to the environment. We had wind speed, I guess the greatest recorded wind speed was 114 kmph. We had tree falling complaints about 2,364 as much as I remember, and these are just the complaints, but we can know how many more trees would have fallen जिसके complaints अभी तक हमें पता नहीं है. So it is obviously जो भी life destruction हुई है उनको तो हम वापस नहीं ला सकते हैं, but at least we can give mother nature back what the cyclone has stolen from it. So we can recreate the environment, we can have a sustainable environment, and हम सबको पता ही है कि अभी ऑक्सीजन की भी कितनी कमी हो रही है, not just due to COVID but any which ways we are having a very polluted environment. The normal people are suffering due to environment lack and due to oxygen lack. So it is very important that we plant trees not only for the environment but also for us to live sustainably and for our future generations to live
How
sustainably.
you want to spread the awareness? The initiative is already started and you are part of it. आपकी इंडस्ट्री में की मैं बात करूँ तो वहाँ कैसे अवेयरनेस की एक ये मेरा इनिशिएटिव है, दिस इज फ्रॉम अश्नू, हाउ यू वांट टू स्प्रेड द वर्ड?
See, there are people who are famous, there are people who have a fan following, but there are very few people who use it in the correct way. So I would say that I would want to be responsible enough and I would want to have the correct knowledge to spread it that way. Because there are people who look up to us. तो अगर आप खुद में चेंज करोगे तभी आपके जो फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपके जो the people who look up to you, even they'll inculcate those changes. So I would want to start by myself. I plant one sapling every year, but now I think I'm going to do that every month and take care of it as well. And I would want all of you to also please take this initiative, and even if you don't want to plant, at least take care